How's it going, everybody? Rich here for Layton Sports Cards. We're ripping our fourth case of Tier 1 Asia Edition Baseball 2016. Good luck, everybody. We got Phil A, Yankees, Brent Y, Twins, Brian W, Indians, Felisa P, White Sox, Ted T, Orioles, Kathy S, A's, Brian W, Mets, J Price, Dodgers, Ted T, Braves, Adelarado, Nationals, Jeff B, Marlins, Brent Y, Astros, Rays, and D-backs. Joseph M, Mariners, Aaron P, Blue Jays, Scott D, Angels, Aaron I, Rockies, Michael Z, Giants, Greg M, Cardinals, Brandon M, Phillies, Greg M, Royals, Brent F, Cubs, Todd B, Tigers, Mike W, Brewers, Padres, Felisa P, Reds, Greg M, Rangers, Dan L, Pirates, Ron H, Red Sox. That'll do it, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Almost cut my freaking finger right there, man. That was close. Close one, man. Almost had Rich bleeding all over the camera. These boxes do not come out of these cases nicely at all. You just freaking get stuck in there. Good luck. Let's get some booms. If you didn't get in on tonight, guys, a nice lineup for tomorrow. Get your spots. Nice Thursday night lineup. All right. That's a 1 of 5. Michael Taylor for the Nationals. 1 of 5. I think that's supposed to be in red ink, but it's not. There you go, Nationals. 1 of 5, Michael Taylor. And our next hit goes to the Astros. Patch auto with a cool patch. Dallas Keuchel. Houston. Robert F. Snyder. You'll get DD. And Jersey Card Indians. Lindor Chocolate Truffles. Depends, Nicholas. It kind of mixes up. Some we do, some we don't. It all depends. All right, for Boston, autograph Brandon Moss. Or Boston, Jesus. Cardinals, excuse me. Cardinals, autograph Brandon Moss. For the Mariners, rookie auto, Ketel Marte, Seattle. Jersey card for the Mets, Travis d'Arnaud. Metropolitans there. There's a red ink. Goes to the Dodgers. 4 of 5 red ink auto. Yasmani Grandal. There you go, Dodgers. I'm telling you, Chris. Very nice there. Sick hit. Wow. For the Red Sox. Dual patch auto to 25. Laser show. Dustin Pedroia. With some filthy patches. There you go, Red Sox. Nice Petey. It depends, Nicholas, on which break it is. Sick Petey for Boston. And for the Angels, double jersey to 50. Vlad the Impaler. There you go, Angels. Mariners again, autograph Kyle Seager, Seattle. For the Blue Jays, autograph of Devin Travis. And jersey card for Texas, Prince Fielder. Blue Jays again, autograph to 299, Carlos Delgado. For the Giants, autograph of Chris Heston. For the Angels, jersey, Albert Pujols. I'm not the machine. And triple jersey for the Mets to 25, Matt Harvey. Next up. For the Rangers again, autograph Juan Gonzalez. Texas with another hit. Oh, man. Angels again, autograph Matt Shoemaker. Another hit for the Angels. And jersey, Mets again, Jacob deGrom. Another hit for the Mets. Next up. For the Cubbies, on-card auto, Mark Pryor for the Cubs. Giants with another hit. Autograph, Matt Duffy. It's just a special edition that they put out for Asia. Has like different stuff in it. Different red ink autos and stuff. Bat piece for Boston, Hanram to 299. Red Sox again. Ooh, sick hit for the Dodgers. Bronze ink auto to 25, Clayton Kershaw. Boom. Nice hit, Dodgers. Congrats. That's a beauty. Kershaw bronze ink to 25. Nice hit, Dodgers. Congrats. And for that, autograph for Tampa, rookie auto, Richie Schaefer, T-Bay. Jersey card for the Yankees, Jacoby Ellsbury, Yanks. And jersey card for the Indians, Roberto Alomar. Legend jersey. Next up. For the Cardinals, on-card auto, good old Vince Coleman. Cardinals. Nice hit for the Indians, on-card auto to 199, Francisco Lindor. Nice hit tried. Jersey card, Seattle, Robbie Cano. Another hit for the Mariners. And double jersey, Yankees again. Ellsbury again to 50 for the Yanks. Next up. For the Mariners, look at that auto. What the heck is going on there? Holy crap. Autograph of Brett Boone. Dude signed like the whole card. Crazy auto. For the Dodgers, sick hit again. Dodgers crushed it. Rookie auto, Corey Seager. Congrats. Dodgers are en fuego. Way to go, Dodgers. And jersey card for the Phillies, Michael Franco. There you go, Philly. Next up. Nice red ink auto for Cincinnati to 5. Brandon Phillips going to the Reds. Nice red ink auto. Can't believe he got traded or let go or whatever. Another hit for Texas. Rookie auto, Luke Jackson. Rangers. Bat piece goes to the Rockies. Nolan Arenado. Colorado. And our last box coming up, guys. Good luck. With the Braves. For the Yankees, autographed to 299, Nathan Eovaldi. Yankees again. After that, for Boston again, autograph Eduardo Rodriguez. And the last hit in the case, bat piece goes to the Giants, Buster Posey. There you go, Giants. And that will do it for the case. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. Couple sick hits in there. Next up, break should be bad. Man, I'm getting tongue-tied tonight. Next break up should be a good break. Man. Dual case of Dynasty NT Baseball, number 4, up next.